people install spray foam insulation themselves? In theory, they can. So they make kits that have two components, an A and a B, and they have minimal coverage, and you can spray it or apply it to wherever you want to have foam installed. It's not quite as easy or great as potentially advertised. But there's a lot of issues that can happen with that, and it's a lot more time consuming than people assume it's going to be. And then your coverages can also be dramatically different than what is advertised. There's a lot of factors that go into making that foam, and that's what you're doing with those two components. We have very expensive equipment that does that. There's a reason why that equipment is very expensive, and why we have trained staff that install the spray foam. But if you had a really small area, in theory, you can install it yourself. We don't recommend it if you need more than one or two kits of that DIY foam